Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to cancel an e-transfer on the BMO mobile app. So once you have, sent money to a wrong contact, this is all you need to do. This is from the official BMO, right? You just want to go ahead and do this, right? If you have sent a request to the wrong person, or maybe you entered the wrong amount, or maybe you just change your mind after sending it, right? You can cancel a request in the Interact, e-transfers menu, or you can select e-transfer history, look for that request under pending e-transfers, and if your request hasn't been accepted yet, you can always go ahead and cancel it, right? It's really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.